Hi, today we talk about how to create channel on WhatsApp. So for creating channel on WhatsApp, first you need to open WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Then here at the bottom left corner you have this update buttons, click on it. Then this type of updates page will appear. For creating channel at the top left corner you have these three dots, click on it, then this will pop up. Here you have the option of create channel. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Here click on this continue button. Then on this page first you need to enter your channel name. Then under this you have to describe your channel, means give some information about your channel. So here I write this. Then at the top you have this button. From here you can add photo. You can take photo, choose photo, or you can add emoji and stickers. So here I add sticker. First I change the background and then I add sticker. Once you done this, then at the top right corner you have done button, click on it. Now you are again on this page. Here you have this create channel button. Once you click on it, your channel is created. So this is how you can create channel on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.